improvisation technology in organizations.
Improvisational patterns bear the built-in dynamics of repetitive principles and solutions combined with extreme variability and complex time frames, which we also can find in fractals. Figure 18.2. Fractal picture and the Sierpinski triangle as an example for repetitive creative systems. Like improvisational patterns, fractals use minimal structures in a repetitive yet flexible mode and continuously create new forms and shapes using a recursive process or performance. Improvisational technology in music is based on the idea of recursive performance. Musicians are able, and trained, to use the maximum variety of redesigning and restructuring minimal structures and patterns. Other than in automatic or computational-based innovation processes, for example tris, the art of improvisation in music is highly communicative, by listening, reacting and shaping relationships between musicians and musical elements, harmony, rhythm, innovative structures are created while performing. Organizational innovation today is based on the art or technology of improvisation. How and when can patterns create new dynamics and a new set of patterns, which itself is creating a new and unexpected combination of patterns as part of the performance process? How can we describe and experience communication in the sense of synaptic transmitters between organizational patterns? Research on a technology of improvisation, while using knowledge from the performing arts, especially jazz and contemporary new music, but also from modern forms of theater and dance, develops practical tools for innovation processes in organizations and social systems. By testing and researching, it opens up new models of innovation. While taking into account the fact that improvisation practice enables us to navigate through the new organizational spaces which are characterized by new dimensions of abrupt change, uncertainty and insecurity, the organization then becomes a transit place, choreographed by a huge, complex variety of rhythms in which we navigate and perform at the same time. Originally, the term improvisation was used to describe a stage of repairing situations when plans failed, to correct in a sloppy way what went wrong. Although improvisation was inherently associated with flexibility and mobility and based on tacit knowledge not yet embodied, it was only meant to be in temporary use. Now the situation seems to shift. Complex social space takes on the qualities of permanent improvisation. The lifestyle of transition and transformation becomes one of the key features of the everyday life. Therefore, organizational patterns also, originally being exemplars of linear planning, decision-making and evaluation, have to adapt to a situation of complexity which needs awareness and the art, or technology, of improvisation.